Dear friends, welcome back to the Moodle Tutorial for Developers series. In this video, we will see how to upload an image, upload any file. So let's start with that. So in Moodle, there are multiple ways we can upload a file. So the file picker is one of them. So let's search on Google the file picker element in Moodle. So it will redirect to here. So the file picker is a direct replacement of older file, this older file form. So here we can add the element on form. Okay, so now here on form.php page, so I have added this, and this is the size, the maximum size, how much it will take. So for now let's put the garbage value, but yeah, the number it will take. So the make sure you are putting the correct numbers. So this one is element, like you have the text same. This is the that variable name, you can say. So I am putting my name Sri underscore file. Okay, so we are done with this adding element on form. So let's see that how it is coming. So refresh. So okay, so this is coming. Okay, so before that, let me take you. So I have added this footer, output footer. If I comment this, then it will not load properly. Okay, so please make sure before using any file picker or any file upload method, you must include footer on your main page. Okay, not on form page here. So the form is created, form element is created, you can see here. Okay, so now let's see how you can save. If you want to get the content of that form, you have to use this, but for now I need to get the name. Okay, so the moment submit, the form submission will be done by any user, it will come inside this section. Okay, so here I am adding file. Okay, so putting in file variable. So this one is the name. Okay, so if you print this, is it will give the file name. Okay, so let's see if it is working. So you have a sample file, click on upload and click yes. So now you can see this file name. Okay, so now let's see how this file will be saved. So this is the function to save the file. Okay, so just paste here, and what is full path, where this file will be saved. For that you need to create a upload directory. Okay, so I just created, and make sure there is a write permission on this dir. Okay, so now the path, so full path equal to, you can say that upload slash dot file name. Okay, so let's see if it is working. Okay, nope, it is not.